Working on my R34 GT-R. We just got the rear splats put on, the front diffusers on as well. We got the Nismo Lmgt4s on as well that they're gonna throw on here in a moment. We didn't even have to overnight any parts from Japan because they're already here in Japan. All the stuff's already here, we just put them on. Gosh, these things look so good. Oh my goodness. Always wanted some Lmgt4s. It's funny because on my 32 in the States, I have Kanze KMP wheels, which I absolutely love and adore. Those things are amazing. But here in Japan, I wanted to do the whole Nismo route on this car, and we're doing it. Got the Nismo Lmgt4s, looking absolutely beautiful. Great thing I love about these wide wheels is it's just so much more of an aggressive stance. I mean, when you are when you're on the ground and you can see, you know, from the back end of the car, and it almost basically pretty much sits about flush with the fenders. That's the way you want to go. Now these tires I have on here are a little bit skinnier than what I would want on this, but it was just, you know, there wasn't the right tire size that I wanted wasn't available. I didn't want to wait a long time, so that's why I got the 265/35 18s, but it's all good. Those will work. Really, I want to probably get to like a 295, maybe a 305, something like that. I think that would be great for these Lmgt4s. Something that would fit really well on them, look really good, give it that nice fat stance that I'm looking for. I'm looking for this really aggressive, wide stance on this car. I know obviously you can achieve that even more when you have wider wheels and wider, you know, tires. That's how you achieve that look. This should be good once we get this thing on the ground. I can't wait to see what it looks like in its stance. And then we can adjust the coilovers as well. We have the HKS Hypermax coilovers on this thing. Doing a video on that, or did a video. I'm not sure if I put it out yet. All these videos are gonna come out in different orders. Don't know what the orders are, but yeah. They're cleaning them up right now. Oh my God, R34 GTR just popped up in the wild. I just love being in GTR heaven over here. Look at this thing, it sounds good too. There we go, wow. This over here chilling. This thing just pops up, beautiful white R34 GTR. It looks absolutely amazing, beautiful car. I think it looks aggressive with those wheels too, love them. Golly, this is like heaven here. Space Auto, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being amazing. Right behind me is a Nismo R35 GTR. This here at Space Auto as well. Pretty cool to see all the amazing cars here. We'll do a walkthrough video of this whole shop and everything they got here going on. It's just like a huge car guy candy store with all the JDM vehicles here. I mean, I wish I could own all of them. It's absolutely incredible. We're gonna go through on a walkthrough with them, and man, my 34 GTR is right behind me right there, getting some parts installed, all that fun stuff. But we'll go through this whole thing, show you what everything Space Auto has, and show you all the fun.